By the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around, we'll be continuing our study of Srimad Bhagavatam today, 3.4.31. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Naruttamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udiraye Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtuki. Srimad Bhagavatam 3.4.31, which is entirely read. Vidura approaches Maitreya. So today, no dhavo anvape mananyunyo yadugunair naraditaha prabhu ato madvayunam lokam grahayan iva tishtatu. No dhavo anvape mananyunyo यद गुणैर्नादित प्रभुः अतो मद् व्ययुनं लोकं ग्राहयन्निह तिष्ठतु. नो दवोऽपि मन्युनो यद्गुणैर्नादित प्रभुः अतो मद्व्ययुं लोकं ग्राहयन्निव तिष्ठतु. Synonyms: na, not; uddava, anu, slightly; api, also; mat, to myself; nanyunan, inferior; yet, because; gunaihi, by the modes of material nature; na, nor; arditaha, affected; Prabhuho, master; ataha, therefore; mata vyayunam, knowledge of me, the personality of Godhead; lokam, the world; grahayan, just to disseminate iha, in this world; tishtatu, may remain. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. Uddhava is not inferior to me in any way because he is never affected by the modes of material nature. Therefore, he may remain in this world in order to disseminate specific knowledge of the personality of Godhead. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. श्रीचैतन्य मनोभीष्टमस्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति सुपदन्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवां च श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितां च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरे वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वांशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठावतरिष्मये पताकसमनिधि नामने नमाचार्य पादाय नित्याय कृपाप्रदाने गौरक्षादामदाय नगरकामतारणे. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठापुत्रे श्रीमति भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिधि नामने नमस्ते सरस्वती गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषण्यवादी पाशयतारणे. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. No dabono api manyuno gunairnaditah prabho ato madhyunam lokam grahayanniha tishtato. So, these are the feelings and thinking of Lord Sri Krishna, which is revealed to Sukadeva Goswami. He had told Maharaj Parikshit that this way Lord Krishna was thinking, that why he had left Uddhava behind. So this is a revelation of the mind of Lord Sri Krishna through the agency of Guru Parampara, Sukadeva Goswami, and we are hearing from Srila Vyasadeva and Srila Prabhupada. Krishna saying, Uddhava is not inferior. There are superior and inferior, we all know. Superior means those who do not get affected by the illusory energy or the material nature. And inferior means those who are affected by the material nature, either for some time or from time immemorial. So because Uddhava was never affected by the material nature, or this Yoga Maya never covered him, that is the qualification, a right candidate to distribute the knowledge, to propagate the knowledge of Lord Sri Krishna to the sages of Badrikashram, especially Nara and Narayana. Now, because he has not been affected, implicated by material nature, therefore Lord Krishna thought he may remain in this world. He may remain to disseminate the specific knowledge, because everybody cannot deliver the message. Not possible. Not everybody. They are chosen personality. And Krishna knows much better than anybody who are the right person. In the recent times, he has chosen Srila Prabhupada. And in turn, Srila Prabhupada has chosen many of his disciples. And because many years are passed, still ISKCON is getting wider and wider, deep-rooted in the philosophy, and every nook and corner of the world. Still it has not reached to the villages. In some of the villages in India it has been reached, because the Professor Lord Chaitanya, पृथ्वी ते आछे नगर आदि ग्राम सर्वत्र प्रचार है वो मेरो नाम. So the prophecy is getting fulfilled day by day, every now and then. Once with my son, I was with my wife and my daughter, we were in Australia. So he had taken us to the Great Ocean Safari. And there were some jungles. So we are trekking the jungle, and in the jungle we are singing Hare Krishna Mahamantra. We are enjoying. There is a two reason, of course, that the wild animal should run away because hearing our voice, and we are just enjoying. So, पृथ्वी ते आछे नगर आदि ग्राम सर्वत्र प्रचार हुए मेरो नाम. Even my son went to the Antarctica. And what he did, he had taken on Bhagavad Gita. He dug a hole in the ice and he buried the Bhagavad Gita in the plastic. So that some time to come, maybe when the ice may melt in few, maybe some thousands of years, and if somebody happened to go by, who knows, they might find this Bhagavad Gita or so many Gitas or Bhagavatam or the literature about Krishna, people have dug in. So, Prithvi te aache nagar adi gram sarvatra prachar huve mero naam. If they happen to read, is a prachar of Krishna. So Krishna chosen. Why only Uddhava? Well, if this question comes, why Uddhava? Then if Krishna would choose somebody else, same question will be there. Why that person? Why that person? Now it is the prerogative of Krishna. He is the right person to decide. And he choose. Like Srila Prabhupada has telling his disciple, okay, you go to Hawaii, you go to London, you go to Paris, you go to China, you go to Hong Kong, you start the Hare Krishna movement, and you know what? Just having the faith on the word of the Guru, and they started. So Krishna chosen Uddhava. I don't want to speak much about it. So he was a chosen soul to distribute the love of God. Tattva of Krishna. Prabhupada says in his purport, small purport, the specific qualification for becoming the representative of the Lord is to be unaffected by the material modes of nature. This is the qualification. And look at us. Aren't we affected by the material nature? Every now and then, every moment. Then how are we speaking? We have been blessed with. Every one of us are speaking because we are blessed with the Guru. Of our own, we have no qualification. But a Guru has said, you go ahead and preach, that is his authority, not our endeavor, not our jnana, not our efforts. It is just by their own kampa. And Prabhupada says, the highest qualification of a person in the material world is to be a Brahmana. Brahma janati Brahmana. After coming to the platform of Brahmana, one can know Brahman. One can know the all-pervading consciousness. Prabhupada further qualifies. But since a Brahmana is in the mode of goodness, to be a Brahmana is not sufficient for becoming the representative of the Lord. And Brahmana means he can take the donation. But if any Brahmana has taken the donation and he has not donated further, then he is not Brahmana, but he has become Brahmana Bandhu. Brahmana accepts the donation, but gives away the donation, whatever he has collected. Not everything of it, but much a part of it. Otherwise, he will become Brahmana Bandhu. Prabhupada says, one has to transcend the modes of goodness. And how is that? Devi asa gunmayi. The material modes are very difficult. Mama maya durateya, Maya Arjuna. No, it is not that easy. You just get up on the wrong side of the bed and you say, oh, I'm free from Maya. Not that. Also, and situated in unalloyed goodness, Suddha Sattva, unaffected by any of the qualities of material nature. The qualities of material nature is Sukha, Dukha, Hani, Lava, Jaya, Prajaya, fame, infamy, good and bad, honor and dishonor, and so many kinds of things. Anyone, Labha, Jaya, Vijaya, all these kind of things, if we are affected by this, if you are lured by this, if you are either elated and you start crying of this, then we are not. This corona has made everybody cry. Everybody practically. It means we are all in the modes of material nature. Prabhupada further says, this stage of transcendental qualification is called Suddha Sattva, unadulterated. Suddha Sattva means you cannot mix anything in them. It's like a mercury. You cannot add anything into the mercury. It separates it. It may go around the object that you put in, but never get affected. Never takes in. You see? That is Suddha Sattva. Unaffected by anything. There are two sets of the people. Sakami, Niskami. Ragi, Bairagi. Jnani, Ajnani. Bhaktaha, Abhaktaha. There are many sirenies. I had just noted, let me see if I can get it quickly for you to. Yes, kinds of people. Everything two sets. Sakami, Niskami, Ragi, Bairagi. 99% are Ragi, only 1% Vairagi. Shatru, Mitraha. Dayalu, Nishtur. Sarala, Pakhandi, Udara, Ghamandi, Dharmi, Adharmi, Bhogi, Rogi, Dhani, Garib, Dharmatma, Duratma, Jnani, Ajnani, Guru, Shishya, Stri, Purushaha, Sacha, Jhuta, Udar, Lalchi, Uchkoti, Nimnakoti, Bhaktaha, Avaktaha, Yashasvi, Apayashasvi. There are many kinds of the people. We fall in all these categories, and every category is, except Bhakta, every category is covered with the three modes of material nature. So Prabhupada says, a person who is able to attain this transcendental qualification is called Jivana Muktaha. That he might not get the material body again, Jivana Muktaha, or liberated. Even though he is apparently in material condition, this liberation is achieved by one who constantly engages in the transcendental loving service of the Lord. Again, transcendental loving service of the Lord. Prabhupada quotes in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu 1.2.187, it is stated, Iha yasya haredasya karmana mansa gira niskila sau api avastasu jivana mukta sa uchyate. Anyone who, by his action, mind, and words, lives only for the transcendental loving service of the Lord. Is it possible in the day and age? Yes. Prabhupada is there. His disciples are there. We can see them. We can associate with them. What are they? By their action, by their mind and word, live only for the transcendental loving service of the Lord. Isn't it? So it's not impractical. It is practical. And I think in Grihasthasrama, one can easily practice after taking avarta, avartam jnanametena. Is certainly a liberated soul. For liberation, one does not need to die. He is only liberated. Prabhupada further says, even though he may appear to be in a condition of material existence, Uddhava was in such a transcendental position, and thus he was selected to be the factual representative of the Lord in his daily absence from the vision of the world. And if any one of us can execute the order of Srila Prabhupada in its essence, at the moment, many of us, we love Srila Prabhupada, We try to piece his glories, but we don't follow his instruction as it is. We want to serve our Guru, but not as we are instructed with. Prabhupada says, such a devotee of the Lord is never affected by material strength, intelligence, or even renunciation. Sometimes we have Markata Vairagya. Prabhupada says, such a devotee of the Lord can withstand all slouts of material nature, and therefore he is known as Goswami. Only such Goswamis can penetrate the mysteries of Lord's transcendental loving relationship. And that ends the translation purport of Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 4, Text 31, by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami, Srila Prabhupada. So, the qualities of a devotee, he should be free from material nature. Is it possible? Yes, by practice. And the practice is constant, satatam, kirtayanto mam, yatatansa dridhavartaha. With the dridha pratigya, with the dridha vishwas, that I have to do it, I must do it, even I may face some difficulties in life. Difficulties will come. In life, there are 6 things which are permanent. 6 things are permanent. Janma Mrityu. Janma, where, when, how, is detrimental. Death, it is also written down. Then I just missed it. Sorry. Janma Mrityu, then happiness and distress, they are fixed. In happiness, what kind of education you can get, what kind of job you can get, what kind of wife or husband you get, what kind of children you get, what kind of job you get, happiness. And distress, what kind of children you get, what kind of neighbor you get, what kind of husband, wife you get it, what kind of job you get it. So happiness and distress, and fame and infamy. Now, if everything is fixed, then what is not fixed? You know what? The bhakti is optional. Bhakti, to choose the path of bhakti is optional. It is swachanda, swatantra. You want to do it? Do it. If you don't do it, forget it. Now what happened? By doing the bhakti, 2 things happen. Either, if you have to take birth again, suchinam srimatam gehe, or if you don't have to take birth again, then go back home, back to the Godhead. So simple, isn't it? So there are certain things in life we cannot change, but certain things we can adopt. And in this age of Kali, the easiest process, accept bhakti. As everyone is quoting yesterday, Sarvanam Kirtanam Vishnu Sarvanapada Sevanam Archanam Bandam Dasam Shakhyam Atma Nivadanam. Either 9 altogether or just 1, you get a perfection. And once you get a perfection, then whomsoever you meet, you can deliver them. Bharat Bhumit Haile Janmyar, Janma Sarthak Karo, Karo Paropkar. So before you try to help others, do Paropkar. Help yourself. Self-realization. And then enjoy this life and enjoy the life after death, whether the different bodies or simply going back home, as I said. So with this, I come to the conclusion. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.